Relaxing at the beach? So are hackers.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
Before you post that selfie, make sure your password isn't easier to crack than a seashell. Let's play a fun quiz to keep your summer and your data safe. You're relaxing in the sun? Scrolling on your phone? Sharing vacation pics? But is your digital life protected? Let's dive into the basics of passwords, beach style. 1. What is a password in computer science? A beach code word for free snacks. B. A secret phrase that gives you access to a device or account.
You know what? It made me laugh when I heard it, but Pam got really offended.
Ooh, big boobs.
Drama queen, nosy.
C. Your favorite summer song. D. A sticker on your water bottle. Answer B. A secret phrase that gives you access to a device or account. Think of a password like your digital beach badge. It keeps your stuff safe while you enjoy the waves.